Hi, this is Conrad from CloudMine, and today I'm going to show you how to create and log in to user accounts using our iOS SDK. So if we go over to the project, you'll see that I've added CloudMine.framework to the project, and you'll also see that I've set the API credentials in the app delegate. For more information on how to do this, you can see our previous tutorial. You'll also see that I've set up a basic login interface in Interface Builder. I've created a username and password field, a status label, a create account button, and a login button. You'll also see that these elements are linked to their properties on the view controller. If we go over to the view controller, you'll see that it's a basic view controller with these properties created. So let's bring it to life. Let's create an IB action that'll get executed when we hit our login button. As with any user account operation, we're going to want to first create a CMUser object. We're going to create our user object with the contents of the username field and the contents of the password field. So now, to actually log in the user, we'll call login with callback. And let's implement the callback. The callback can return a number of results in the CMUser account result enum. And one of the possible results is CMUser account login succeeded. In this case, we'll set the status label to read login succeeded. However, say you enter an incorrect password or use a non-existent username, you'll get CMUser account login failed, incorrect credentials. In this case, we'll say that the login failed. That's our login operation. Now to create a create account operation. So this is very similar. As you can see, I've just copied and pasted it, except we use a different create account and login with callback method. What this does is it first executes a create account operation followed by a login operation. The result of the login operation is what is returned in the callback. So we can leave this alone. Now, let's link these in Interface Builder. So let's build and run and see how this goes. So if I attempt to log in with a non-existent account, you'll see that it of course fails. However, if I create the account and log in with it, it'll say login succeeded. If I stop and run the application again, you'll see that I can log in successfully. If I use an incorrect password, you'll see that the login failed. So this concludes my tutorial on how to create and log into user accounts using our iOS SDK. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm really excited to see what we'll make with CloudMine. Be sure to check out our new to-do list sample app on our GitHub page. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to let us know via either Twitter or email.